In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage comments, mentions, and resolve threads in PowerPoint. Whether you're reviewing slides on your own or collaborating with a team, the Comments pane is your central place for feedback. To open it, go to the Review tab and select Comments. A pane opens on the side and shows all comments and threads across the entire presentation. It's essentially a running conversation organized by slide, so you can quickly scan what needs attention. When you click any comment in the list, PowerPoint takes you straight to that spot on the slide so you can see the note in context. To add your own feedback, start by selecting the slide or the specific object you want to discuss, such as a text box, shape, or image. Then choose New Comment, either from the Comments pane or from the ribbon. Both options do the same thing. Type your comment clearly and keep it action-oriented so others know what you're suggesting or asking. If you want to direct a comment to someone in particular, mention them by typing the @ symbol followed by their name. Mentions require Microsoft 365 or an online collaboration setup, and typically trigger a notification so the right person can jump in quickly. When a conversation is already underway, keep it together by replying in the same thread. Click the comment you want to respond to, select Reply, and add your message. Keeping related messages in one thread preserves the full history and makes it easier to follow decisions, edits, and outcomes later. It also prevents duplicate or scattered feedback across slides. As items get addressed, tidy up the discussion by resolving the thread. Select the comment or the entire thread and click Resolve. This marks the issue as complete and hides it by default, which keeps the Comments pane focused on active work. Don't worry, resolved comments aren't deleted. You can review them later if needed, so it's safe to resolve once the change has been made or the question has been answered. A few practical tips as you go. Select the exact object before adding a comment so it's perfectly clear what you mean. Keep each thread focused on a single topic to make decisions easier, and use mentions when responsibility is clear to avoid delays. That's all you need to confidently open the Comments pane, add comments and mentions, reply within threads, and resolve discussions to keep your presentation moving forward smoothly.